This is like one of the cheapest restaurants I've been to. Yay, works! Woo! Khlong Mae Kha. Khlong Mae Kha. What's up, guys? So today I found a place that has a replacement for the propeller on my drone so I can fly it. So I'm gonna go there, buy that, and then go to Pantip Plaza, which is like a small mall, and it has a food court, drinks, and after that we're gonna see what else we can get into today. So all of this is 10 baht. Wow. This is like one of the cheapest restaurants I've been to, ever. Wow. And then I got rice with it, so. Dessert. Ooh, this looks so good. And they also have sodas, water. Okay, so I misunderstood the meaning of $10 buffet. So each of these is 10 baht each. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This is free. The water's free. The rest of it is 10 baht. Altogether, it's 80 baht. Altogether, it's 80 baht. Hey, it's a good amount of food. So 40 between both of us. Canal. This is canal. It's a vegetable soaked in broth. This is pork. Some lemongrass in it. Has the same spices as sai ua, which is a northern sausage. This is catfish with some sweet chili. This one is genkyowan. This is an egg soaked in beef broth and soy sauce. Okay, so this is pumpkin with egg. I got a little of everything, and I put the juice in the rice too. Here's a sai ua like pork, just like sai ua, but not in sausage form. It's good. It has that lemongrass taste to it. This fish is crispy. It doesn't have that typical fish taste. This that beef broth, soy sauce, egg. There's some pork piece in it. This is sweet beef broth. Sometimes they'll have like pork with like sweet beef broth. Braised pork, that's what they call it. There's green curry. Really good. This is really good green curry. Green curry is not spicy like the other curries. They usually have like red, yellow, or green curry. But this one has more vegetables in it and eggplant. Sometimes they put chicken in it. There's pumpkin. Hey, that's pretty good. It's not like an orange pumpkin. It's kind of like a squash type of pumpkin. Ano ma?
Is egg with a pumpkin?
Egg and pumpkin. So it's like an egg and pumpkin cake. First time I'm trying this. And as you can see by the food, we devoured it. It was good. Okay, pumpkin egg cake. It's kind of like flan. If you guys ever had flan, it's a Mexican dessert. It's like jello-y. It's like custard. It tastes like custard. Pumpkin bits in it. Sugary. It's pretty good. It's not overly sweet. That was really good. And I still have enough room for more food, but I'm gonna wait a bit because I still have to edit my video at Pantip Plaza. Let's go to the drone shop, then we go to Pantip Plaza. This place doesn't have an official location on Google Maps yet. It just opened, so I'll leave the information down in the link below. Okay, so hopefully that should work. 400 baht. Yay, works! Woo! I went to Hinoki Land, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna fly my drone out here, and then it just wouldn't start. I was like, oh shit.
The safety from the beacon is locked when put the wrong propeller.
They have a bunch of drone parts, so if you need drone stuff, DJI drone stuff, you can come to this shop in Chiang Mai. I'll leave a link in the description. This one looks so cool. Giant drone. how cool that looks. Over there, nestled in the mountain over there, is Wat Pratat Doi Kam. I made a video of it a while ago when I was living in Chiang Mai. You guys can check it out. I just got this one, Milkland Coffee Mania. It's the best seller. So there was an earthquake last night. I don't know how well you guys can see it. It's all over the Thai news. Buildings were cracked, and I actually woke up in the middle of the night, halfway through the earthquake. It's sweet, very, very creamy. Pantip Plaza. It's cool being back in Chiang Mai. My memories are flooding back. I used to walk around this area all the time. Let's go back into Pantip. Let's check it out. Get the frog, baby. Big C. So we're going to Khlong Mae Kha. It's a newer place that opened in Chiang Mai. This is Mae Hong Club. Khlong Mae Kha. Khlong Mae Kha. So Khlong means canal. Mae Kha, I don't know what that means. Before, when I was living in Chiang Mai, this wasn't open like this. It was just it wasn't lit up, and there wasn't plants everywhere. It takes a minute for me to upload the video. It took all day and it still needs to upload. It stopped at like 60%. The water is shallow. You know it's a local vibe when there's barely any English on it. So I just found out roselle juice is hibiscus flower, dried up hibiscus flower. But this is roselle and lemonade. Really sweet. Has like kind of an herbal taste to it. Looks like there's not much down there. But this is pretty cool. Nice vibe. Has all the old houses. This is Shu Shi Kai Dao. It's Kai's egg. This is similar to pad grapao. It has pork and a little bit more gravy. Yeah, it tastes like pad grapao. There's that Thai basil, but adds a sweeter taste to it. Ginger chicken stir fry. A lot of food, and it's only 40 baht. It's not bad. It has a ginger chicken flavor. I am not full. I'm still hungry. It looked like a lot of food, but it was rice. A lot of rice food does that to me. I just eat it and I'm still hungry. Kathmandu. Hey, I miss this place. This is Khlong Mae Market. I used to go here all the time. It's a good market. Has a lot of different food. Now I showed up later on in the night, so they don't have as many places open as they normally would, but there's still some places open. So I got the mango egg. I usually get banana egg somewhere or coconut egg roti, but mango egg roti sounds good right now. Somtam. It's spicy. They said 3 for free. If I buy 3 meat sticks, then I get a free salad, but I just got 2. This is passion fruit smoothie. This is 30 baht. Watermelon, 20 baht. Roti, 55 baht. Chicken beef stick, 50 baht. I missed eating this. Beef stick. Really good. In Bangkok, this is 50 baht. So I saw one of these for 60 baht in Bangkok. Chiang Mai is half the price. This is sawalot, passion fruit smoothie. Out of all the smoothies in Thailand, this is the one I get the most. Passion fruit is one of my favorites. Mango, egg, roti, milk, condensed milk. Really good. If you ever had a roti, just try one. It's delicious. It makes you fat, but it's super good.